Today, we will demonstrate how to prepare a proper dining table setting for guests. A well-set table creates good impression and makes dining more comfortable.
First, I will put a dinner plate on the center. On the top of dinner plate, I will put a folded napkin for a neat appearance. Then, I arrange the utensils. The fork goes on the left side on the plate, while the knife and spoon are placed on the right side. The knife blade face on the place the safety. After that, I place the glass above the knife slightly to the right side. If there is a bread service, I will put a bread plate on the left side. Finally, I check the table arrangement to ensure everything is aligned and complete. Here you go.
And that's how we prepared a proper dining table setting. A well-prepared table setting helps give guests a pleasant evening experience. Next, we will show how to properly welcome guests.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. I'm Rolando. So glad you're here.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Let me take you to your table. Please have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
This is our menu for today. May I have your order, ma'am? We have spaghetti, adobo, and fruit salad, plus iced tea or water.
I want to order all of your dish.
Okay, ma'am. Coming right up. Here's your order, ma'am. And this is your water too. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. And that's how we properly greet a guest. Go. Welcome to this demonstration. Today, we'll see how to apply basic principle of hospitality, customer care, and sanitation. Let's begin. Before guests arrive, server should check his uniform, sanitize his hand, wipe the table, and arrange utensils.
I am ready to serve. Good afternoon. Welcome. Please have a seat. Did you like the water before deciding the order?
Yes. I'll order chicken.
Great choice. I'm coming right now. There you go, ma'am. Enjoy. Leave me your if you need anything.
Waiter, may I have the bill?
Here your bill, ma'am. Thank you for coming.
That's how you treat a customer properly.
Go.
Good day! I am here to demonstrate the proper procedure of clearing and resetting the dining table after the guests finish eating. That's all. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.